This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located under the steering column. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Flip open the protective cover, then loosen the nut and disconnect the positive cable from the battery. Loosen the nuts and remove the battery hold-down bracket from the top of the battery. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down bracket, securing the hooks at each side. Tighten the clamp nuts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely.